Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or turn off microphone access to an app on your iPhone. You might be in a situation where you open up an app and your microphone is not working or is not allowed. So let me show you how to turn on and off microphone access to an app on your iPhone. Open up your settings app, scroll down and then tap on privacy, then scroll down and tap on microphone. Here you'll see all the apps that have access to your microphone. To allow access to your microphone, toggle the switch to the right for that specific app. To disable the access for your microphone, toggle it to the left. And that is how to turn on and off microphone access to an app on your iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.